Okay guys, I can't see, the sun's too bright, but what we're gonna do, haven't been real productive lately. I don't know if you can hear me, but I haven't been productive, but I got my gun back a few weeks ago, so you can see there's a couple beer cans out there, and yeah, this is alcohol abuse because they're full. But people from Glock said they resighted my gun because it was off. Not a big deal. Haven't shot it yet, so we're gonna give her a whirl. See if we can blow up some cans today. I'm gonna step away from the camera though, so it ain't too loud on the microphone deal. All right, here we go. Okay, that was unproductive also. I'm gonna reload and try it again, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna get a little closer, see if I can actually see where my bullets are. Shit! Well, good thing it's a Glock, huh? Alright, god damn it. I'm gonna try getting a little closer. I don't know, it's kinda hard with the sun hitting the snow to see where I'm hitting. I think I'm low, but I was used to the other sights, how they were before, but we'll get her figured out. Alright, that was a little more productive. I actually hit him that time. I am going to go in the shop and show you what we've got accomplished on the motorcycle bags. I haven't worked on it for a while, a few days. Hold on. Alright. As you can see, it's wet and sloppy because it's way warm for February. But blew that one apart, hit that one, and the other one's down in there. Alcohol abuse and wasting that 25 cents, 5 cans. Alright. And oh my god, the only thing I hate is when it's so fucking muddy you can't do a goddamn thing. There's the old cutlass. Oh yeah, and there's another project out here we gotta do. It's just a quick, easy whiz banger. I'm gonna get a smoky treat here. Alright, this little hoopty, all we gotta do is the hood, that's it. And there's some, it's all dirty, can't really see it, but the the fucking clear is bubbling in some spots. So we're just gonna sand it down, probably have to shoot some black, have to get that sticker made, and then paint it and clear it. What the hell? Look at that. The old 57 is gone like a freight train. Alright, Alright, as you can see, we got everything molded in, got a couple coats of mud on it. I think it was this one, yeah, I think it was this one. The actual extension piece goes to like, I don't know, like right here, somewhere in there, but it fit flush up here, but it had like a concave shape to it, so that was going to take a little work, but this one is just about perfect. Might do a skim coat on that one again just to make sure, but it's been blocked I think 4 times just to make sure, because on the website there's a lot of complaints about when people take stuff to the body shop how this portion isn't straight to this. You can see where it attaches. And we're gonna get away from that, so I blocked it with a long block, and then, well, first time around was the air file to get everything straight, and then we had a couple low spots, so I filled them in, and we're shaving, I wouldn't call it shaving, but we're molding in the brackets for his backrest, comes up here somewhere. Molding that in, and this here is that plexus. I mean, it's hard as a rock. The fiberglass will break before that breaks. I don't know. That's where we're at right now. And trying to figure out if he wants to build this down to where it meets, or if we're gonna shave this back a little bit. We haven't quite decided yet, but that's where we're at. Like I said, this one's gonna need a couple more coats probably. Could have probably filled it probably second time, but I don't like putting mud on that thick. I'd rather put 6 thin coats on than 3 heavy ones. So well, that's where we're at. He's got to box in this here like the other side, but that's where we're at right now. Yeah, you can see where the attached piece is. It meets somewhere up in here, I think, maybe. I don't know. It's like a 4 or 5 inch deal. But that's where we're at. I'm going to go upload this and see what we can do.